for joining us this morning. Very excited to announce a competition for the show in partnership with Heiko, and I'll invite David Kelly to join me if you'd like to.
Sure.
Competition for the show is to see which airline or airline participant can install a USB mod kit to a Heiko seat the quickest. Now, I'll make a big deal of the fact that I can currently do it in 1 minute and 12 seconds, but I'm very confident people will get under a minute. Heiko very kindly included a genuine seat leg, and I will demonstrate in a moment, but the whole idea of the competition is to prove that you can modify a seat from a basic standard seat to a USB powered seat very quickly. The winner of the competition, so the airline entrant that comes in with the lowest time, will actually win for their airline a ship set of USB power for a 737 or A320. So a significant prize. We are opening it to everyone here though, and for those that are not part of an airline, then the prize is a fun prize, which we'll announce towards the end of the week. It's not a ship set or not the same value, but I can assure you it's a bit of fun. So, do you want to mention anything about your seat?
I would just say that whoever wins, it doesn't include a ship set of seats. Just the power.
Very good. All right, so I might demonstrate. Would you like to demonstrate it?
No,
okay, I'll demonstrate it. So, when you receive the mod kit from digEcor, it comes pre-assembled in the kit. It's obviously got the seat box, the USB outlet, the cable ties in place, ready to go. And it is literally as quick, and if I can, the timer's not up, but it is literally as quick as, let's see how quick I can do it. Ready? And we're done.